respiratory system, and the next one is the digestive system. So digestive system, that organ is the digestive tract and digestive glands. Okay, then function is digestion, absorption and also egestion. Okay, digestion, absorption and also egestion. It is the digest the food, after then absorb the nutrients and eliminate the waste, that is egestion. Okay, then excretory system. Excretory system related that organs, kidney, ureters, urinary bladder and urethra. Okay, so it is the organ of the excretory system. Then the function is elimination of nitrogenous waste. This is the function of excretory system. Then reproductive system. Reproductive system involved that organ is testis and ovary. That male reproductive organ is testis and female reproductive organ is ovary. Then gamete formation. The function is formation of gametes, that is sperm and also egg. Then development of secondary sexual characters, that is some of the pimples occur in our face and also growth, hair growth. Okay, hair growth also in this stage it occur in our body. So it is the secondary sexual characters. And also sensory system. Sensory system related that organ is eyes, nose, ears, tongues and also skin. So eyes for sight, nose for smell, ears for hearing and also tongue is a taste and skin is touch. We have feel. Okay, yes. So this is the function of the sensory organs. Then endocrine system. In that endocrine system, first one is pituitary, then thyroid, then parathyroid, adrenal, pancreas, pineal, body, thymus and reproductive glands, etc. Okay, all these are endocrine system. So this endocrine system coordinate that function of all organ system. எல்லா ஆர்கன் சிஸ்டத்தையும் கோஆர்டினேட் பண்ணி கொண்டு போகிறதுக்கு தான் இந்த எண்டோக்ரைன் சிஸ்டம் என்ன செய்யுது, யூஸ் ஆகுது. ஓகே, நெக்ஸ்ட் வி see that digestive system. Okay ma, next we see the digestive system. Okay, so digestive system, it is the human digestive system. We take the food in our mouth, you know that. Yes, so it is a simple substance. So in that food like vitamins and minerals, but also complex substance such as carbohydrate, proteins and fats. Okay, the simple substances vitamins, minerals, but a compound is a proteins, carbohydrate and fats. So that body cannot use this complex substance unless they are converted into simple substance. மாறாமல் பாடி என்ன செய்யாது, இதை அப்சர்வ் பண்ணாது. ஓகே, so that complex substance change into simpler form. It is the 5 stages of nutrition process include, first is ingestion, then digestion, after that absorption and assimilation, at last egestion. Okay, so it is 5 process, that is ingestion, digestion, absorption, assimilation and egestion, removal of waste. Okay, so what is mean by ingestion? Ingestion means, you know that, so the process of nutrition begins with intake of food. வேறு ஒன்றுமே இல்லை, intake of food, that is called ingestion. Okay, so அந்த process வந்து process of nutrition begins with எதுலேருந்து ஸ்டார்ட் பண்ணுது, intake of food, that is called ingestion. Then the breakdown of large complex insoluble food molecules into smaller and simple soluble and diffusible particles by the action of digestive enzymes. Okay, digestive enzymes is called digestion. So some of the digestive enzyme is involved in that process, then only the food is complex food is change into simpler form. Okay, change into simpler form. Okay, that is called digestion. Then the part of the body concerned with the digestion of food form the digestive system. அந்த பாடி வந்து கன்சர்ன் பண்ணிக்கிற எந்த ஒரு அந்த ஃபுல் இதையுமே நம்ம என்ன சொல்கிறோம், டைஜஸ்டிவ் சிஸ்டம்னு சொல்கிறோம். ஓகே, ஸோ த டைஜஸ்டிவ் சிஸ்டம் கன்சிஸ்ட் ஆஃப் டூ sets of organs. Okay, amma, 2 sets of organs in the digestive system. That is alimentary canal, digestive tract and gastrointestinal tract. Okay, alimentary canal and digestive glands. So the system, it is 2 sets of organs, alimentary canal and digestive glands. Alimentary canal means it is the passage starting from the mouth and ending with the anus. Okay, ma, ending with the anus, starting that mouth, ending with that anus. Okay, do you understand that? Yes, ending with that anus. So this is that alimentary canal. Then digestive glands associated with that alimentary canal or the salivary glands. Salivary glands secrete saliva. You know that salivary glands secrete what, ma? Saliva. So that salivary glands and gastric glands, pancreas, liver and intestinal glands. Okay, so salivary glands, then alimentary canal, gastric glands, pancreas. So this is called a pancreas, you know that? Yes. Okay, amma, next we see the alimentary canal, structure of alimentary canal. So alimentary canal is a muscular coiled tubular structure. So starting from இதெல்லாமே நம்ம என்ன சொல்கிறோம், alimentary canal. Okay, starting from mouth. So it consists of mouth, buccal cavity, esophagus. Okay, amma, then stomach, then small intestine, large intestine. Okay, then cecum, colon and அதாவது large intestine consists of cecum and colon and also rectum. Okay, then the intestine, it consists of duodenum, jejunum and ileum. Duodenum, jejunum and ileum. Okay, amma, it is a small intestine. Large intestine consists of cecum, colon and rectum and also anus. At last ending with anus. Okay, at last ending with anus. First that mouth, starting from mouth. Okay, mouth leads into buccal cavity. Okay, amma, it is bound into 2 soft movable upper and lower jaws. You see that upper jaw and lower jaws. Okay, so that buccal cavity is a large space bound above by the palate. Palate means which separate the windpipe and the foot tube. windpipe na respiratory tube. நம்ம வந்து அந்த respiratory tubeையும் இந்த foot pipeையும் என்ன செய்யும், செப்பரேட் பண்ணக்கூடியது. ஓகேயாம்மா, அதுக்கு அந்த பை த பேலட். ஓகே, இந்த பேலட் வந்து செப்பரேட் த விண்ட் பைப் அண்ட் த ஃபுட் பைப், ரெண்டும் மிங்கிள் ஆகாது. ஓகே, எஸ், இட் பிலோ பை த த்ரோட் அண்ட் ஆன் த சைட்ஸ் பை த ஜா. அந்த த்ரோட்டு தொண்டை பக்கம். ஓகே, ஆன் த சைட் பை த அந்த ஜாஸ்க்கு இந்த சைடில். ஓகே, த ஜாஸ், திஸ் ஜாஸ் பியர் வாட்மா டீத். Jaws bear teeth. Okay, yes. Next we see the teeth.